Want to study smarter with ChatGPT? Whether you're completing homework, preparing for exams, understanding difficult concepts, or organizing study materials, ChatGPT can become a valuable learning assistant. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for students in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ChatGPT account and click New Chat. Creating a separate conversation for each subject helps keep your study sessions organized. Using separate chats for different classes makes it easier to review your work later. Next, type your question or topic into the message box. You can ask ChatGPT to explain difficult concepts, solve practice problems, define terms, or provide step-by-step explanations. Asking follow-up questions helps you build a deeper understanding. If your account supports file uploads, upload class notes, PDFs, textbooks, worksheets, or presentation slides. Then ask ChatGPT to summarize, explain, or analyze the material. Working directly with your study materials often provides more relevant answers. Ask ChatGPT to generate study guides, flashcards, practice quizzes, outlines, summaries, or revision notes based on the information you're learning. Take a moment to organize everything into a format that's easy to review. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, improve grammar, organize essays, or receive feedback on your work. Always review the results and make sure your final submission reflects your own understanding and follows your school's academic policies. Think of ChatGPT as a study assistant rather than a replacement for your own learning. Keep practicing by asking additional questions, testing yourself with quizzes, and reviewing previous conversations whenever you're preparing for exams. So you've successfully learned how to use ChatGPT as a student, and that's how to use ChatGPT for students. Whether you're learning new subjects, preparing for exams, improving your writing, or organizing your study materials, ChatGPT can help you become a more efficient learner. The more actively you engage with the material and ask thoughtful questions, the more you'll benefit from every study session. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.